welcome back to our YouTube channel. And this is me, Mary Rose, and this is Danielle, and this is Axin. Here we are again for another vlog.
We're pranking a girl.
Yeah, pranking a girl like the Riza May Dukai. Dili na I mean RJ. Her name's Riza May, but her one is RJ. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
So, naanamit din ko.
We're in here, guys.
We're in here like that. Naanamit din so, maulawon sila, guys. Like the maulawon ni guys. So, kana siya among i-prank, guys, si RJ. Like the diday na mo pansinon.
Di na mo pansinan, guys.
Okay. Let's go. Okay. Si Jackson na yung una.
Sunod dayon ako.
Tipag tawag-tawag.
Hi! Unsa mo? Hi, auntie. Hi, Dan. Unsa mo?
Lagi pa uli si Axin kasi ang mahod niya.
Yes. Ipauli si Jackson.
Unsa mo ba? Ay, kagi.
This is Danielle Padilla, and she like roses like that. She like roses. Oh, she's not rose. This is not roses. Sorry, man. She's like that. She's love a plant like that. And Axin is beautiful like that. Sorry guys. Sorry guys.
I-pause sa.
Oh, okay, 1, 2, 3. Wait lang, pause guys. 1, 2, 3. Oh hey guys. This is Anna. She's looks like in the Frozen. In the Frozen too. Okay. She's beautiful too, like that. Yeah, you're beautiful like that. So, okay. Okay. This is not a prank. Sorry for kaganina. So, video-videohan na mo lang kahayag sa amot din he. Let's go, Danielle Padilla.
Let's go.
Oh, sorry. Okay, so this is our
city.
This is our city.
Yes, Taligaman, Butuan City. For
Taligawan, Butuan City. And dito tata, igno na to. And this is our garden.
This is our garden. It's so bigger.
Wait. This is our garden. Wait. This is our garden.
Bigger than the earth.
Yes. Oh shit. Okay. So like my video and subscribe. Okay guys. Thank you for 1 subscribers. Na ay nag-subscribe sa ato. 1 rapod.
We have our 1 billion
1, 2,
subscribers.
3. Ambak mong tanan ha. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is our patag here.
I like it.
Yes, because it's so softly. Let's go now because it's so katuli. Ayo. Sorry.
Katoliko.
So, magbabay na taon sa man. Video pa.
Video sa